Hello everyone, my name is Saurav. Welcome to Saurav with English. I hope you're doing great. I know I haven't made video for you so long time because I was sick, but now I'm feel better. So I'm recording video for you. You know what? If you know all vocabulary and all rules in grammar, and you think about yourself, I can speak English. But when you go to speak with random people, even your family, even your friend, you are stuck. Suddenly you forget vocab, suddenly you forget rule, and whatever you want to talk there, even you forget. But you think about yourself. I think I should improve my more self. I think I should more improve myself. I think I should learn more vocab now, but that's not a truth because the same condition I did have when I was learning English, when I was talking with random people, with my family. So this is a little bit problem. You easily can solve it if you build your confidence because uh, main the topic the main is the thing confident is the more important if you want to speak English perfectly and if you want to get fluency. So first to build your confidence, you try to talk with random people, then you every day build your confidence. I think you should do it. And if you don't have friend and uh, you want to practice your English, I mean speaking practice. So if you have phone, you recording your video every day because the video recording lot help for your English and very helpful for tips, because when I was learning English I also did it. And many AI you have ChatGPT and Merlin AI and Meta AI can help you learn English easily and effectively if you will learn English easy way, because AI is a good partner for you if you want to learn something good for you, whatever you want to learn. But if you don't know vocab and if you uh, want to speak English right way, and ChatGPT help you. ChatGPT give you vocabulary, useful vocabulary. Because if you will pick up a dictionary has a lot of vocabularies, many vocabularies you don't use your day, and there is all vocabulary, but all vocabulary you can't learn in whole month and in your day. So I think you should type ChatGPT. I think you should ask ChatGPT. You can give me helpful for my English and helpful for my myself. Give me vocab easily. ChatGPT give you vocab and you can speak English easily. And if you if you want to get fluency, then I think you should reading English every day. You can pick up a 8 standard Honey Hornbill English book, because English book very important and also important your English if you want to get fluency. Fluency comes slowly when you speak regular. If you feel yourself, I can't speak English, please you don't feel awkward for yourself, because no one help you, no one happy for your success. Only stay you consistent and doing your work wisely. That's a great thing. If you are doing already it, you're doing great. So please you can learn English easily and effectively. And if you are beginner, so I think you should ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT give you all roadmap about English, and if you will follow it, you definitely speak English good. So this is a little bit information for your English. Whatever I have little bit knowledge for English. So if you like this video, please you follow me, subscribe me, because I will make video regular for you. Or if this video little bit helpful for you, please you subscribe me and follow me. Bye guys.